Welcome back to Trend Secrets, your ultimate destination for all things interior design and home decor. Whether you're an experienced decorator or just dipping your toes into the world of design, you're at best place. Open plan kitchen living design has transformed the way we experience our homes. It's not just about removing walls, it's about creating a sense of openness, light, and connection between the spaces where we cook, eat, and relax. This style has become a favorite for modern homeowners because it blends functionality with aesthetics. One of the biggest advantages of an open plan layout is the feeling of spaciousness it brings. By eliminating physical barriers, you allow the eye to travel across the room without interruption, making even smaller homes feel bigger and more inviting. This is why it works beautifully in both compact apartments and large houses. The kitchen often becomes the heart of the open plan design. With a central island or breakfast bar, it serves as both a cooking zone and a casual gathering spot. You can chat with guests while preparing meals or keep an eye on the kids while they do homework in the living area. Zoning is the secret to making open plan spaces functional. While the areas are connected, each still needs its own identity. You can achieve this through changes in flooring materials, area rugs, ceiling treatments, or even by positioning furniture strategically to define different zones without walls. Lighting plays a huge role in creating atmosphere. Pendant lights over the kitchen island, soft recessed lighting in the living area, and a statement chandelier over the dining table can help visually separate spaces while keeping the overall look cohesive. Natural light should be maximized wherever possible. Large windows, sliding glass doors, and even skylights can flood the space with daylight, making it feel warm and welcoming. In the evening, layering different light sources adds depth and coziness. The color palette is another key design element. Choosing a consistent range of colors for walls, furniture, and accessories ties the whole area together. You can still add pops of color or texture through cushions, rugs, or accent chairs, but the base should remain harmonious. Storage solutions are especially important in open plan designs to keep clutter out of sight. Built-in cabinetry, hidden storage under seating, or stylish shelving can help maintain the clean, uncluttered look that makes open plan spaces so appealing. Personal touches bring character to the open plan layout. Art pieces, indoor plants, and carefully chosen decor can give the space warmth and personality. Since all areas are connected, it's best to choose pieces that complement each other and contribute to a unified style. Let's talk about island kitchens. An island kitchen features a freestanding countertop unit in the center. This island provides extra prep space, storage, and can double as a casual dining area or a place for guests to gather while you cook. It's perfect for enhancing both functionality and style. Now let's talk about cabinets. Decor. Style is versatile. Flat panel offers a sleek look. Two-tone cabinets add a personalized touch. Decor. Open shelving is stylish and practical. Natural elements like wood and plants warm up the space. Pendant lights add both function and style. In the end, open plan kitchen living design is about more than just aesthetics. It's about how the space makes you feel. It's about connecting with family, entertaining with ease, and enjoying a home that feels open, flexible, and alive. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. That's right. Good interior design isn't about how much money you spend, but how creatively you use what you have. Even inexpensive or budget-friendly decor items can make a big impact when placed thoughtfully and styled with care. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home. Don't forget to subscribe to Trend Secrets and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching.